Imagine a pill that doesn't just cure, it helps your body heal itself.
Regenerative pharmacology activates your stem cells, your body's natural repair team. Instead of replacing damaged tissue, it teaches your body to rebuild it. Clinical models show near total regeneration in weeks, not months.
From muscle injuries to organ repair, this could be medicine's next revolution.
One day, hospitals might prescribe regeneration instead of surgery.
Healing from within. That's the promise of regenerative medicine. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the edge of pharma science.